Daycares in Quebec say they may be facing a problem. As news emerges of Montreal area schools having to cut nearly 200 support staff because of the province's secularism laws, there are concerns the same thing is coming at daycares.
It's a devastating law. It's very upsetting. It doesn't align with the general Quebec values. I find a lot of people are very disappointed in it.
Bill 9, adopted in early April, expands Quebec's ban on wearing religious symbols at work to cover workers at publicly funded daycares. And those daycares say it's not clear what impact that will have on the system or how they're supposed to comply with the law. And they say they're not getting much help from the government.
Every chance that we've had to ask questions, we've tried on this proposed law. It's just been flatline. We have not gotten any information, questions answered.
The biggest concern, of course, is retaining and recruiting staff. The government says an acquired rights clause means workers who wore religious symbols before the bill was tabled last November can keep their jobs. But workers who change daycares or get a promotion could lose those acquired rights. Montreal area daycare director Alexi Pereira says she already has 2 workers who wear hijabs, and she's not sure how much protection they have.
Nobody really knows what the answer is to my question. Like, will my educator lose her grandfathered clause if she applies to a different classroom? That's very concerning to me because the pool of candidates is very small. So recruitment worries me enormously.
The government doesn't have any statistics on how many daycare workers wear religious symbols, but the workers' union says it's a significant number.
On le voit, bien sûr, on côtoie nos membres, on voit que des gens portent des signes religieux. Et oui, on parle beaucoup du Grand Montréal, mais on a des exemples en Abitibi, Témiscamingue et même partout au Québec, donc ça aura un impact à l'échelle de la province.
All this impact for a law daycares say isn't really necessary. The daycare operators we spoke to say they've never received a complaint from parents about staff wearing religious symbols.
They love the educators. They don't want to see them leave. If one educator is absent, they would ask us, is she okay? Why is she not here? Everybody's aware of that new law, and they're so concerned that we would be losing a teacher because of it.
The most important thing is a parent's trust and confidence in who they're leaving their children with, not necessarily their faiths, their backgrounds, their culture, their traditions, their holidays. It's not important.
In a statement to CBC, the ministry responsible for secularism said such situations would be assessed on a case-by-case basis. It also said daycares could reach out to the ministry if they have questions and that they're currently preparing educational tools to support them. As for enforcing the law, the government says the ministry responsible for secularism may conduct audits, either on its own initiative or following a complaint, by appointing an auditor authorized to enter the premises in question, request information, and examine documents. The CAQ government has always justified secularism laws by saying they have broad public support, and opinion polling has generally backed that up. But Bill 9 may be a turning point. A recent survey showed 2/3 of parents surveyed were comfortable with daycare staff wearing religious symbols, even when they supported other religious symbol bans.